We're back with the bone broth guru. Dr. Kellyann is showing us how to turn her chicken bone broth into an ultra satisfying buffalo chicken soup. Let's just say it's a 2-for-1. Take it away, Dr. Kellyann.
I love twofers. That's perfectly put. Okay, so we've got bone broth. We've got about 4 cups of bone broth.
Speaking of 4 cups, I literally drank 4 cups of bone broth in the break.
Yeah, I was slugging the whole chicken.
I feel better already, I think.
After all that, I was like, I got to get more of this in my body. Okay.
Okay, so you want to put some cream cheese in. I'm gonna put that in.
Favorite.
Yep.
This is the buffalo chicken.
Whoa, what is happening?
Oh, you'll see. Now, I'm doing this around chefs. Keep that in mind. Okay, some hot pepper.
Nice.
Hot sauce. Hot sauce.
And we have some coconut milk.
2 kinds of fat. Okay.
The good stuff, the good
Yes.
fats. You need fat to burn fat, by the way. And I love ghee.
Wait, don't skip over that. You need fat to burn fat.
Your
Say that
body needs fat to burn fat, but you just need the right kind of fat. And you get all kind of benefits. Your joints feel better, your skin looks better, your cells need fat, your brain needs fat. It does not operate without it. Plain and simple.
I think
so you need it.
I think the 90s, fat got such a bad rap, and people still have a hard time getting over that when they're trying to be healthy. But I'm glad you reiterated.
And you want those conjugated linoleic acids, that's CLAs. They're really great at fighting age and everything else.
Yes.
So you want that.
All right,
okay,
ghee.
Ghee.
Clarified butter.
Clarified butter. I love it. It's lactose-free, creamy, tastes delicious.
Butter, cream cheese, ghee,
Cream cheese and coconut milk.
Okay,
All that kind of
there
whoa.
we go.
Wow.
Let's get a rip.
Okay, rip it up there.
All right, and plenty of hot sauce. I like that metabolism boosting hot sauce.
Me too. Me
stuff.
too. I'm Italian. Of course, I like hot sauce.
Ooh, look, it's nice and frothy. Okay, into
Okay.
your
So now
hot pot?
you're gonna put it
you
into the
go.
pot. There we go.
You know, you actually mentioned something over the break I wanted to chat to you about, which is, intermittent fasting has become this hot topic as well. Lots of people getting into it as a way to give their digestive system a break and get back on track, especially after the holidays, all the rest.
Yeah.
What's your thought on broth within intermittent fasting?
So one of the biggest reasons that bone broth has taken off the way it did, when I first started talking about this, Daphne, there was not a single bone broth on the market. There was not one. Walk through the stores, there was none. Wow. I was so passionate about this because I thought, what do my patients really need? A lot of them come in and they have this fatigue, they have this bloating, they can't lose weight, and when they do, they put it right back on.
Right.
So I thought, well, what really helps is fasting, but the problem with fasting is no one can do it. You feel terrible, you get brain fog, you're miserable, you want to kick everything and everyone. It's too unpleasant. So I thought, what if you took this and they drank bone broth and they had a light meal at night? Would they feel satisfied? Would they get the same results? I tested it out in 3 cities, a bunch of different people from all walks of life, and it worked. Okay. So I said, okay, so this is a great intermittent fasting tool. So if you want to feel like, you know what, I want to give my digestive system a little bit of a break. I've got an event coming up. I just want to, get rid of a little bit of the bloat.
Yes.
It's a great tool.
The clear broth, not the buffalo chicken.
Just being
Different story. Different story.
All right, so we warm this up. Don't bring it to a boil because of the cream cheese, but just heat it up so it's nice and warm and cozy.
Heat it up. Yep. And then you're going to add a couple of
toppings.
You got some toppings here to add because we're all about toppings.
Wow.
So here's what you can do. Chicken. I always add chicken to my broth, or I usually add some kind of protein just because I like the feel in my mouth of having a good protein. Blue cheese.
Want a little?
A little bit of celery.
I love the celery.
And by the way, I put cilantro on like everything. You know why? Because cilantro not only it smells good, it adds a nice flavor, but it's one of the best ways to pull toxins out of the body. And so it's a great jam.
I put chicken in yours. I didn't hit.
Oh, you put chicken?
Else. Yes.
Okay, all right. What a friend.
I was so not expecting. I just sat up straight. That is outstanding.
There's so many things you can do about bone broth.
I'm not lying. This is so good.
It's so good. And don't get in your head about it. Just throw stuff. Like whatever it is you love, start throwing it in a bowl and just start making it happen.
This is delicious. Yes. I've learned so much from you. Thank you for sharing your beautiful bounty of information with us about bone broth. All the bees. For more tasty recipes, you can check out her book, Dr. Kellyan's Bone Broth Diet. Delicious. This recipe is fabulous.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.